visually over countrysides, over land, and understanding the composition of ideas, how they can make and how ancient people used the land to read their and implement their universe into their life. This is the mount I told you about, and it appears to be a hexagon. I can't say it exactly, but you know, it seems.
Is it a road?
Ah.
Is it a road there?
Yeah, it's a little, yeah, it's a mud road that slices through it. I hope that a preliminary excavation this spring will bring us, you know, more sort of closer to what kind of an idea lies there. And it seems that in the area longer to the left, there are many sort of very interesting places that seem to be burial grounds. Yes. Thank you very much. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Okay. But this is a game that stopped because of you know, the market sort of collapsed. But I would be interested to it would be interesting to sort of start again. The design document is ready, you know. It's,
like, do you have a gameplay already, like, figured out, or?
Yeah.
Or it's like, would you like try to find places that you already like programmed into the game, or are you trying to like get the users to find more places?
The users will be led on, you know, of course, because the places are there.
Yeah, it's a sort of like educational.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he would go to Bergosbotn, and he would, you know, walk around, and he would find an earth mount, and he would go in there and he would find documents, and he would find, you know, hot spots that would take him either flying by the you know, rims of it, or the axis of it, or he would click himself, you know, to those places, and slowly he will find that these places are composed of certain ideas, and then he will find that this system fits exactly. It's in ancient Indian tales. This is the Earth ecliptic around the sun. All the portions in our solar system fit into this. So it's quite amazing, really. I will have more time later, and I will tell you more about this, and I will be better prepared and have you know, more pictures. More questions? Okay. Come on. Okay. Tack så mycket.
Thank you, Peter Andersson, with Message of the Cosmos. And now we have Bergver, Oliver André, and his team to talk about managing complexity, something like that. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Oliver André, and I'm gonna start with a brief introduction of Bergver. The goal here today is to talk about how we manage big projects and multiple projects at the same time. And so what we're going to do is first tell you what we do, then Björn Brynjar is going to talk about the teams that we have, the methodologies we use, how we build games, and then Sigtryggur is going to talk about how we manage building all these games, because we have multiple games, multiple tracks, lots of people and so on. But just a very brief introduction to Betware. We are a software company. We specialize in technical solutions for gaming, and this is meaning gaming and also betting. We have 6 locations, 100 people, and we need to manage teams all around the world. Sometimes they're distributed, meaning that people in the same team are in different locations around the world. This is how the company is organized. As you can see, there's lots of emphasis on both customers, because we have customers that we are creating games for. They are buying the games from us, and then we create games to sell. And this is what we call products. We have grown. This is a company that's been around for 12 years now, and has grown nicely, as you can see there. We do games, and that's one of the main things that we do. We create games. Most of the games are well-known games, so we're not having some game concepts and artists and so on. We do that, but that's just a small part. But it's also about the transactions of selling games. We have to go. We have the systems that we build are financial systems to process transactions of games, and also we have players. Now these systems we probably process 100 billion Icelandic millions every year. So a lot of money flows through this, and we have about 1 million players in our systems all around the world. So the market that we operate on is the lottery market specifically. We target lotteries like Íslenska Getraunir, Getsbá, these types of companies. These are our biggest customers. In the middle, see the Danish lottery there, British Columbia, and the Spanish lottery. And we have some other clients as well. The games that we create, we started in, well, Lotto, which many people don't think is a game. Scratch tickets, sports betting live. You can buy a ticket while the game is going on. Bingo. Now we're seeing more entertainment, sort of social thing. In our bingo game, we have chat functionality, which is very important to the game, and then multiplayer game. So these are the types of games that we do. This is the Lotto game, one of the first one. This is the Pools games, long list game, and so on. Then we have these types of games, scratch tickets, and people are actually buying this and paying for this. And you have to have the correct tools. Didn't help though. And this is bingo. And you see the chat over there. That's very important. And this means that there's a community in this. And this is one of the multiplayer games, Yahtzee. We run this site called Sectors Games, where people hang out and play all these multiplayer games. We have like 50 multiplayer games running on this site. And these are the products that we create. So we create these games, lottery games, sports games, instant games, the scratch tickets, games that are really fast, bingo games, skill and casual games. I assume you know what that means. Casino games, poker, and racing. And then we have some business components. So these are the types of games that we create. So now we turn to Björn Brynjar, who's going to talk about the project management of how we do things.
Yeah, very good. I'm going to talk about project management, how we manage projects.
in